If you've ever wondered how to turn a color photo into a crisp, striking black and white image in Photoshop, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through 3 reliable methods to convert any picture, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to make your photos black and white, but you'll understand which approach gives you the most creative control and why each method might suit different needs. Whether you're preparing an Instagram post, a gallery print, or just experimenting with your photography. So let's get started. First up, and this is my go-to technique, we're going to use a black and white adjustment layer. It's non-destructive, meaning you can revisit and tweak your changes anytime, and it gives you the most control over the final look. You'll start by making sure your adjustments panel is open. Just go up to Window, then choose Adjustments. It should pop up on your screen. Now, look for the black and white icon. It's a square divided diagonally, half black and half white. Click it, and Photoshop will instantly create a new adjustment layer and convert your image to black and white. Pretty cool, right? But the real magic comes next. Check out the Properties panel. Here's where you fine-tune the results. If you want a quick fix, just hit the Auto button. Photoshop analyzes your photo and makes its best guess at how to balance the colors into grayscale. But if you're after something a bit more personalized, you can grab those color sliders, labeled reds, yellows, greens, and so on, and adjust the brightness or darkness of each color as it appears in black and white. This lets you emphasize certain elements in your shot, like making a red dress appear lighter, or deepening the greens in a forest landscape. For even more precision, try clicking the little hand icon. Now you can click and drag directly on the image itself, and Photoshop will figure out which color you're adjusting. This part might take a few moments to experiment with, but don't worry if it feels fiddly at first. Just play with the sliders until your image sings. If you're in a hurry and just need a basic conversion, Photoshop has a blazing fast option, the Desaturate command. All you need to do is navigate to Image Adjustments, Desaturate. Or if you're a fan of shortcuts, press Ctrl+Shift+U on Windows or CMD+Shift+U on a Mac. Instantly, your photo loses its color. But keep in mind, this method is destructive. It permanently changes your pixels, so you can't dial specific colors up or down later. Handy for quick jobs, but if you want to fine-tune, the adjustment layer is safer. Now, for those of you who want advanced control, maybe you're prepping images for print or further effects, the Camera Raw filter is a fantastic option. To keep this workflow non-destructive, first convert your layer to a smart object. Just head up to Filter, Convert for Smart Filters. This means you can always edit your changes later. Once that's done, go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter, and your image opens in a powerful editing environment. On the right-hand panel, click B&W to convert to black and white. Here's where you'll find the black and white mixer. You can adjust specific color channels one at a time, much like with the adjustment layer, or just hit Auto and see what Photoshop suggests. When you're happy, click OK to apply the changes. You'll be returned to Photoshop with your edit intact, ready for further tweaking if needed. And that's it. Whether you like fast and simple or full creative control, you now know exactly how to make any image black and white in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and let me know in the comments which method works best for your style, or if there's another Photoshop trick you want to learn. Don't forget to subscribe. I've got many more step-by-step guides coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.